Hi, welcome friend. This is Mahesh Patidar and you will learn in with me GS paper 3 unit number 5. You are most welcome at online platform of GLC Top 50. GLC IS launched application online application you can download uh, through the Play Store and enroll on online batches. Yeah, and if you want to offline, you can go Bhavar Indore and also enroll offline. Now we will learn their MPPSC Mains GS Paper 3 Unit 5. Unit 5 syllabus divided into two major points. Point number first, that is which is include numbers and its type. In this topic, we will study about all types of number and their definition and their example. Second topic is method of unit measurement. Unit measurements के जो methods हैं we will teach about them. We will study about them. Equation and factor, that is the another topic. Profit and loss, percentage, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportion. All these topics include point number first, and the second major point is statistics. Totally deals with statistics, in which probability, measurement of central tendency, that is mean, mode, median and variance, types of sampling, etc. including statistics. So we will divide this unit in two major aspects. First is all the miscellaneous topics and second is statistics, in which probability, measurement of central tendency, mean, mode, median, variance, type of sampling. So now we will start. First of all, we have to look about the flow chart, what will be included in this lecture and how to go through the whole lecture. Types of number and their definition. First of all, we will learn about the types of number and their definition. Which number, what is the number called, types of numbers and their definition, natural number, whole number, even number, odd number, composite number, prime number, real number, what is imaginary number, write the definition of integer number, positive integer, negative integer, rational number, irrational numbers, consecutive even number, consecutive odd number, whole numbers, what is binary numbers. All the numbers we will study here. What is the number called? First of all, the question raised in our mind is what is the number called? The number, what is number called? Generally, we see in mathematics, digits from 0, 1, 2 up to 9. All 10 digits include and make all the number of mathematics. There are total 10 numbers in numerology, which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes up to 9, with the help of which other larger number are formed. We can take any digit from here and make any large number. For example, 732 1. Four digit, first is 7, second is 3, another is 2 and 1. We can take and make it as 7321. Although 0 is considered as a whole number, 0 is considered as a whole number which comes to the right of a digit, then the value of numbers increased by 10 times. For example, we take 2. If we add 0 at the right side of 2, it increases its value at 10 times. For example, 2 become 20 after adding 0. That means when we add 0 at right side of any digit, it increases its value 10 times. Now next type of numbers in their definition we will teach there. We will study here. We will learn about natural number. First of all, we do natural number. What is natural number? Natural number, what is natural number? Numbers except 0 are called natural number. The natural numbers are innumerable starting from 0. That means the number start from 1 2, 3, 4 and goes up to infinity, all these number called the natural number. Again, what I am saying again here, my words very concentrate. Words numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes up to infinity is known as, yeah, is called natural number. Clear? Is it clear? Second, whole number. What is whole number? Now we had learned about natural number. What are natural number? The numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes up to infinity. These are called natural number. If we add 0 in natural number, the family of natural number, we add 0, it becomes whole number. Now we can see the definition. When 0 is included in the natural number, it is called a whole number. So whole number are infinite starting from 0. It means when we start the numbers 0 from 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes up to infinity, it is called a whole number. Is it clear? Next one. Even number. What is even number? Even number we study from childhood. About it we studied about it from childhood. What is even number? The numbers which is completely divisible by 2 is known as even number. The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are called even number. For example, 2, 8, 12, 16. All these are the even number. Next one is odd number. Number 4, odd number. What is odd number? It is just opposite even number. What is even number? Even number, the number which are completely divisible by 2 is a even number. Odd number is just opposite. The number that is not completely divisible by 2 is known as odd number. The number which are not divisible by 2 are called the odd number. For example, 3, it is not divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2 and there is remaining 1. One remainder, then it is not even number, it is odd number. For example, 5 when we divide it by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, there is all again remainder 1, that means 5 is also odd number. Then we can say 3, 5, 9, 21 etc. are the odd number which is not completely divisible by 2. Next, some fact about the numbers. In between we want to say, if you want to join GLC online platform, you can download the GLC Top 50 IAS application from the Play Store and enroll in online batches. Different type of courses available here, and if you want to join it offline, you can go Bhavar Kuwa Indore and also enroll offline batches. Now we will continue the lecture. Some fact about the numbers. Adding any two or more even numbers. Adding any two or more even numbers. Even number. Let us 2 and 6 are two even number I had taken. Always give an even number. It means that when we add two even number, 2 plus 6, it always give result an even number. One even number plus second even number, it gives result even number. Second, next point. What is next point? If an odd number is added to an even number, suppose there is a 3, an odd number is added with an even number 4, it always give an odd number. Next point, if two odd numbers are added. Next point, what is next point? If two odd numbers are added, that means I add 5 and I add 11, two odd number, it always gives the an even number. What is it? Always gives even number. The next point, what is whatever is power of any even number. For example, 2 is a even number, whatever power like 2, it gives 4, 2 to the power 3, it gives 8. It means that whatever power of any even number, it always gives the even number. While whatever is the power of any odd number, the result will always be an odd number. For example, there is a even odd number is 3, its power is 2, it gives 9, while there is 3, its power is an odd number and its power is odd, it always give odd. Okay, completely understand. Now next, composite number. Number 5, composite number. What is composite number? For example, number which are visible by divisible by 1. The number which are divisible by 1 are any number other than that number, then they are called composite number. Composite numbers are both even and odd. That means, first I had take, for example, I will take 6 as example. 6, the factors of 6, 1, 6 is comes in table of 1. There is also in 6, also divisible by 6. Now 1 or any other number than that number, 6 is also, and 1, then it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. This is called composite number. Another example, 8, it divisible by 1, 8 itself, and by 2 and by 4, so this is also composite number. Composite number are both even and odd. Any number can be composite. For example, 9 is a odd number, it is also a composite because it is divisible by 1 and 9 and also by 3, so this is the composite number. While we taking any even number like 12, it is divisible by 12 and it's 1 and itself by 12 and also by 2, 3 and 4 and 6, so it is a composite number. While it is a even and 9 also composite number, which is an odd number. So composite number can be even or odd. Now we will take next number, prime number. What is prime number? It is just opposite of composite number. While composite number is divisible by 1 and number itself and other any factor, while prime number does not divisible by 1 itself and any other number, it is only by 1 and itself. For example, first of all we have to look about number in which one or that number is not divisible by any another number than itself, then such numbers are called prime number. For example, I take example of 5. 5 is divisible by 1 and itself by 5, and there is no any other factor that can be divide 5 is, so it is a prime number. There is many prime number, 3, 5, 7, 11. 11 is also a prime number, 13 is also prime number, 17, 19, 21, all are the prime numbers. There is a note, one is neither a composite nor a prime. It is most important factor, yeah, important fact. One is neither a composite nor a prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest even prime number. 2 is also both prime and even, all other prime numbers are odd. Clearly understood that 1 is neither composite nor prime. For second point, 2 is the smallest prime. Smallest prime, which is smallest prime? 2. Now 2 is a number which is both prime and even. It is only one number which is 2 that both the characteristics prime and even, all other prime numbers are odd. Next one is rational number. What is rational number? The number that can be written in form p by q, and which is it is numerator and it is denominator, where denominator is does not equal to 0 is known as rational number, because it this condition form a infinity, so this is not a rational number. If their q is equal q, yeah, denominator is equals to 0, then it is infinity, it gives result infinity. So now definition: the number which can be written in the form of a by b, yeah, p by q, or called rational number, where a and b are both integers but b is never equal to 0. Same condition, the number that can be written by as a by b but b does not equal to 0, such, that is, such numbers never have 0 as the denominator. That means denominator does not equal to 0. Now next, irrational number, it is just opposite of rational number. The number that can't be written as 1 by b is called a irrational number. For example, the numbers which can't be written in the form of a by b are called irrational number, where a and b are both integer but b is never equal to 0. Such numbers never have 0 as the denominator. There is no importance of that. Now real number. What is real number? Real number is the group of rational and irrational number, like 2 by 3 and root 4 and root 9 by 25, etc. All are the real numbers. We can take a definition: the family of rational and irrational numbers are called real number. The family of rational and irrational number are called, what is called, real number. For example, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 3, 9 by 25, all are the real numbers. Imaginary number, other than the real number, all numbers are imaginary number. In mathematics, when minus is inside the root, any number is called a imaginary number. Simple, we can say the numbers which are not real are imaginary number. Now integer numbers. What is integer number? The set of positive and negative natural number. That means including 0 is called integer numbers. We study about natural number. What is natural number? The number start from 1, 2, 3 and goes up to infinite is called a natural number. When we include 0 in the natural number, it becomes whole number. And also when we include -1, -2, -3 up to infinity, yeah, infinite is become, yeah, it is the family of integer. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are the integers number. There is two part: positive integer and negative integer. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are a positive number. The numbers with minus sign, all the integers, are called the negative integers. So simple. Next, a consecutive even number. What is consecutive even number? We learned about the even number. Which is even number? The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are called the even number. When even number is consecutive, that means 2, 4, 6 in a fixed order, 8, 10, etc. are called the consecutive even number. Such even numbers which are written sequentially are called consecutive even number. Next, consecutive odd number. We already learned about the odd number. Which is odd number? The number that, which are not completely divisible by 2 is known as odd number. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, all are the odd number, and it also come in sequential form. 3 after 3 comes 5, after 5, 7, 7 after 7, 9, etc. It is also known as consecutive odd number. The definition: such odd number which are written in sequential form are called the consecutive odd number. Now next, perfect number. It is important. We have to take more care of that number. Perfect number. What is perfect number? Such a natural number whose sum of all its divisor is twice the number value is called a whole number. That means any number, like first of all, the only two whole numbers between 1 and 100, are 6 and 26. Only two perfect number between 1 and 100 is 6 and 28. We take example of 6. Such a natural number whose sum of all divisor, that means factor, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factor of 6. When we sum all the factor 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 6, it gives the result of double of that number. That means 6 double means 12. Now we will add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. That means it is a perfect number. Another example, 28. Which are the factors of 28? Like 1, 2, also 4, 7, 14 and 28. So when we add all the factors of 28, that means 1 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 7, 7 plus 14 and 28, 28 plus 28 is equals to 56. All that means the sum of all factor becomes just double of that number. That means it is also a perfect number. Now we will study about binary number. You know about binary number. What is binary number? The number which has only two digits, 0 and 1, is called a binary number. It is used mostly in computer machinery languages, like which is known as binary language, like CNC lathe machine, computer, etc. use the binary language as a machine language, which includes 0 and 1, only two digit. Those numbers which are made up of 0 and 1 are called binary. 0 and 1 are called the binary number. 2, 0 and 1 binary numbers. Such numbers are suitable for machineries. There are also other number system, binary and decimal, which we use generally 0, 1, 2 up to 9. There are 10 digits, so we called it decimal. Another one is octal number. Octal number contains 8 digit, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 7. And hexadecimal also, just like binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal, it contains 16 digit, which start from 0, 1, 2 up to 9. After 9, A, B, C, D, E and F all are the unit of hexadecimal. Now some important fact about that numbers. What is the smallest single digit number? Smallest single digit number? 1. Very easy. 1. Now what is the largest single digit number? Largest single digit means 9. What is the smallest two digit number? Two digit and smallest 1 and 0. Simple 10. What is the largest two digit number? When we talk about the largest, we directly take 9. In two digit, then we take double 9. The smallest three digit, when we talk about the smallest, first of all we have to take 1, and after how many digit? 2 digit, then become 1 digit, 2 digit. Put 0 after that. What is the largest three digit number? When we talk about largest number, we simply take 9. But single digit 9, double digit 9, and triple, three digit largest number, 999. So simple. And we talk about 4 digit, 4 times 9, 9, and 4 digits smallest number 1, and after 30. That is the whole fact. Thank you. This is the lecture over here, and now some homework questions. You have to write your note. First, write the definition with example. Point number first, natural number. Question number 2, write the definition of perfect number. Write the definition with example of binary number. So the question asks in exam, how can ask If examiner asks a question in 3 marks, it simply asking any definition, yeah, operations with that numbers. We can do all the example in next lecture. So this is the homework for you, and thank you.